A slightly lighter note over here. Don't mind me. I'm just moving my house in my pickup. When I saw this, by the way,
Nice.
When I saw this, I didn't think it was real. And I'm sure that I'm not alone in that.
Yeah.
I want you to scroll down and play the TikTok that caught this in action. It's right there. You just click on that right there. Yeah. It seems unreal, like a Disney movie or something. This thing driving down the road. This is a pickup truck, and it actually has a warning on it. This could result in serious injury. It is a regular F-150 pickup with a literal house full of goods tied to it in the most precarious way you could ever imagine. Unbelievably dangerous.
Nice. It's very comical.
It looks like a cartoon.
Despite the danger.
It looks like a cartoon.
Yeah. I mean, those springs on the car?
Oh yeah, the shocks, yeah.
Yeah.
Suspension. Well, the thing about it is a ton of stuff, but I'm not sure how heavy it is. A lot of it.
Sure, yeah.
But yeah, it doesn't, I don't know, it still doesn't make sense in my brain how it's all, he's not even traveling that slow. Like,
very efficient, I guess.
Sometimes when you drive in your car and you have something like hanging out the back, you know that feeling of anxiety?
Yeah.
If you have
brake or accelerate too hard.
Yes. Imagine this guy's version of that.
Yeah.
Anyway,
funny.
Hopefully he got where he was going safe.
Yeah.
It's not an advisable activity, but it has a cartoon in real life right there.